I'm going to eat all the salt out of Sour Patch Kids.
And it was this big. She is scared, but
I'm going to have 2 handfuls. So do one and then the other at a different time. Because that way it'll be more fun.
okay, hold on. Let me get in front of the light.
You ready?
Set, go.
Oh! Oh, bug!
Don't try this at home.
Oh, it burned my tongue.
You may need a new tongue.
Okay, I'm gonna do the second one.
Hold on. Let's get you a drink of something. That way it's not so bad. Actually, you know what? For more hardcore, no drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, round 2. Go. No, you chug it down. You have to chug it. Now, Ado, get the rest out. Try to put it in my hand. That way I can do it.
No,
And you record me.
Out.
Check in there. If there is. The thing. Alright, now it's going to be my turn. Stop it. Here.
Ugh. Oh, that tastes so bad. Ugh.
Oh, jeez.
Is that bad? If you have a hope, still taste it. I have more than you.
Have you that?
You gonna go get drink water?
No.
Please spit it out. You're a wimp.
That hurts.
It does hurt.
Alright, end the video.
Okay. Bye, guys. Peace.